Join NASA on a mission like no other. Experience life as an analog astronaut in a simulated Mars habitat. NASA has a new Mars mission, seeking volunteers to spend an entire year living in a simulated version of the red planet. Why it matters. The surface mission on a 3D printed habitat called the Mars Dune Alpha. Applicants must be healthy adults with science, military, or piloting backgrounds. Do you have what it takes to be part of this groundbreaking mission? The CHAPEA Mission 2 is on the horizon. Be part of NASA's trilogy of Mars experiments. Dive into the challenges of space exploration in a 3D printed habitat. Will you be one of the chosen few? Step into the shoes of a simulated Mars astronaut. Live and work in the Mars Dune Alpha base in Houston, Texas. Are you a fit, non-smoking American citizen, aged 30 to 55? Do you have a passion for space exploration and a STEM background? This could be your chance to make history. Become part of the team preparing for the first human mission to Mars. Meet NASA's requirements for simulated Mars astronauts. Are you ready to push the boundaries of human exploration? Embark on a year-long journey of discovery and challenge. Are you prepared to face the unknown and pave the way for future space missions? Join NASA's CHAPEA Mission 2 and be part of history in the making.